Every cell tells a story, and together they form the skin you're in. Be aware, be self aware. But what do we need to be aware of?
Skin
Skin
cancer.
cancer. It's alarmingly common, making up nearly 40% of all cancers worldwide. In 2020 alone, over 1.5 million people were diagnosed and 120,000 lost their lives. Non-melanoma skin cancers are most frequent, while melanoma cases, though less common, have doubled since the 1980s.
Skin cancer doesn't just scar the body, it can take away life itself.
How do we prevent it? Protect your skin from ultraviolet UV rays both from the sun and tanning beds. Use broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 15 or higher. Stay in the shade, wear protective clothing and do regular skin checks.
But cancer isn't the only story our skin tells. There are other battles written on the surface. Some don't kill, but they wound the self esteem. Teenagers, yes, you.
Acne, the most common skin disorder. According to Yale Medicine, 85% of teenagers experience it. It happens when oil glands become overactive, clogging pores with dirt and dead cells. Not deadly, but it can make us hide, doubt ourselves, and lose confidence.
But the good news, we can fight back. Wash your face gently twice a day to remove excess oil and dirt. Avoid picking up or squeezing pimples, they leave scars. Use non-comedogenic products that don't clog pores. Eat a balanced diet and drink water because your skin reflects how you treat your body. From cancer to acne, our skin speaks louder than we think. It's our shield, our story, our first defense. Protect it, love it, care for it. Because every cell tells a story, and that story deserves a happy ending. Be aware, be self aware.